It was simply yesterday when we discovered that Vivo is required to declare the V9 for the Indian market on March 27, and today we're now treated to release live pictures demonstrating the gadget. The first occasion when we saw the V9 was in a board in Indonesia in February, however these photos give us a greatly improved thought of what's in store, plan savvy. There's additionally a 3.5mm headset jack on the base side of the Vivo V9, by what disappointingly resembles a microSD port. The telephone has an all-metal form with scarcely unmistakable radio wire lines.